Clearwater, Florida, is renowned for its abundant sunshine and warm coastal climate. While the sunny weather is a highlight of living in the area, it can present challenges for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and managing energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are an essential feature for Clearwater homeowners, offering protection from intense sunlight, reducing energy bills, and enhancing comfort. Here's how Clearwater's sunshine impacts energy-efficient window performance and why they're a smart investment for your home. The role of energy-efficient windows in Clearwater's climate. Clearwater's sunny days bring warmth and light, but they can also lead to significant heat gain through windows. Energy-efficient windows are specifically designed to mitigate this impact, making them an ideal choice for homes in the region. Key benefits in Clearwater's climate. Heat reduction. Energy-efficient windows minimize heat transfer, helping to keep your home cool even during the hottest months. UV protection. These windows block harmful ultraviolet rays that can damage furniture, flooring, and decor. Lower energy bills. By reducing the need for constant air conditioning, energy-efficient windows help lower your utility costs. For Clearwater residents, these features make energy-efficient windows a practical solution for enjoying the sunshine without the drawbacks. Low E coatings. Reflecting sunshine for comfort and savings. One of the most important technologies in energy-efficient windows is low E, low emissivity, coatings. This thin, transparent layer on the glass helps control how sunlight interacts with your home. How low E coatings perform in Clearwater. Reflect heat. Low E coatings reflect infrared light, preventing excess heat from entering your home while allowing natural light to pass through. Block UV rays. By blocking up to 99% of UV rays, low E glass protects your interiors from fading and discoloration. Enhance comfort. Rooms with large windows stay cooler and more comfortable, even on the sunniest days. In Clearwater's sunny climate, low E coatings are a game changer for maintaining a cool, energy-efficient home. Insulated glass. Keeping Clearwater homes comfortable. Insulated glass, also known as double or triple pane glass, is another key feature of energy-efficient windows. These panes are separated by a space filled with inert gases like argon or krypton, which provide exceptional insulation. Why insulated glass is essential in Clearwater. Reduces heat transfer. Insulated glass helps prevent outdoor heat from entering and indoor cool air from escaping, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Minimizes noise. The added layers of glass and gas filling also reduce outdoor noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Improves efficiency. Insulated glass works in tandem with other technologies like low E coatings to maximize energy savings. For Clearwater homeowners, insulated glass ensures your windows perform well under intense sunlight and high temperatures. Solar Heat Gain Coefficient, SHGC, a measure of sunlight control. The Solar Heat Gain Coefficient, SHGC, measures how well a window blocks heat from the sun. Lower SHGC values indicate better heat blocking performance, making this an essential metric for Clearwater homes. Why SHGC matters in Clearwater. Reduces cooling costs. Windows with a low SHGC prevent excessive heat gain, reducing the need for air conditioning. Optimizes light. Energy-efficient windows balance natural light with reduced heat, ensuring bright, comfortable interiors. Sustainability. By lowering your home's energy demand, windows with a low SHGC contribute to a greener lifestyle. When choosing windows for your Clearwater home, look for a low SHGC rating to ensure maximum energy efficiency. The impact of sunshine on window materials. Clearwater's sunny weather can cause traditional window materials to fade, warp, or deteriorate over time. Energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials designed to withstand these conditions. Durable materials for Clearwater homes. Vinyl. Resistant to fading and warping, vinyl frames are low maintenance and long-lasting. Fiberglass. This strong material can handle intense heat and sunlight without compromising performance. Aluminum with thermal breaks. Aluminum frames with thermal barriers offer durability and energy efficiency. These materials ensure your windows remain functional and attractive despite Clearwater's challenging climate. The long-term value of energy-efficient windows. Investing in energy-efficient windows provides long-term benefits for Clearwater homeowners, from immediate comfort to increased property value. Benefits of energy-efficient windows. Cost savings. Lower energy bills offset the initial investment in high-performance windows. Improved home value. Energy-efficient features are a selling point for potential buyers, adding marketability to your property. Enhanced comfort. By controlling sunlight and heat, these windows create a consistently pleasant indoor environment. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient options is a smart decision that pays off over time. Conclusion. Clearwater's abundant sunshine is one of its greatest assets, but it also requires thoughtful solutions to keep homes cool and energy efficient. Energy-efficient windows equipped with technologies like low-E coatings, insulated glass, and durable materials are specifically designed to thrive in Clearwater's sunny climate. They reduce heat gain, protect your interiors, and save you money on energy bills, all while letting you enjoy the natural light and beauty that make Clearwater special. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, contact a trusted professional in Clearwater today. With expert installation and high-quality options, you can enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows while keeping your home comfortable, stylish, and perfectly suited to Clearwater's sunny lifestyle.